Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Fidelity account. First, decide which account type best suits your financial goals, whether it's for investing, retirement, or a specific purpose. Next, gather all necessary personal information, including your social security number and employment details. Finally, understand any initial funding requirements before you begin the application process online. When selecting your account, consider options like a standard brokerage account for general investing or a retirement account such as an IRA. You will need to provide your social security number along with your employment information. Be sure to accurately confirm your current residential address and contact details to ensure smooth communication. Funding your new Fidelity account is straightforward. You can easily link your existing bank account for convenient electronic transfers. Another option is to set up a direct deposit or roll over funds from a previous retirement account. Always check for any minimum initial deposit requirements, though many accounts allow you to start with a small amount. To finalize your account setup, carefully review and electronically sign all required disclosure agreements. Next, establish your online access and enhance security with features like two-factor authentication. Once everything is complete, you can begin exploring the wide range of investment options available and start making your first trades with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.